Are you dreaming of studying abroad on a fully funded scholarship? Want to pursue your bachelor's, master, or even PhD without worrying about tuition fees, accommodation, or even travel expenses? Then you need to hear about the Abdullah Al Salim University Scholarship 2025 and 26 in Kuwait. This prestigious scholarship program offers both fully funded and partially funded opportunities for talented students from all around the world. If you are looking for a life changing opportunity, stay tuned as we dive deep into the details from benefits, eligibility, and application process to deadlines and frequently asked questions. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Abdullah Al Salim University is offering fully funded and partially funded scholarships for students worldwide. These scholarships are available for undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs across various disciplines. Now, the big question is what's covered? Let's break it down. If you are awarded a fully funded scholarship, here is what you will get: full coverage of tuition fees. Yes, zero cost for your education, a monthly stipend to cover your living expenses, accommodation and housing facilities provided by the university, health insurance for your entire stay, a travel allowance to cover your journey to and from Kuwait. Sounds amazing, right? For those who receive a partial funded scholarship, you still get tuition fee coverage and partial living expenses assistance. No matter which category you fall under the scholarship, this is a golden opportunity to study in Kuwait without financial stress. Alright, now let's talk about who can apply. To be eligible for this scholarship, you must meet these criteria. For bachelor's degree applicants, you must have a high school diploma with an outstanding academic record. For master's degree applicants, you must hold a bachelor's degree in related field with strong academic performance. For PhD applicants, you must have a master's degree in related field. You should be proficient in English or Arabic. If you are an international student, you must meet Kuwait visa requirements. So, if you check all these boxes, you are eligible. Now, let's get into the step by step application process. Applying for this scholarship is completely online and require these documents: updated CV, academic transcripts for all previous education, degree certificates, high school, bachelor, or master, depending on the program you are applying for, statement of purpose, why do you want to study at Abdullah Al Salim University, two recommendation letters, proof of language proficiency, passport copy. Once you have gathered all these documents, head over the Abdullah Salim University Scholarship online portal and submit your application. Are you worrying about application fee? There is no application fee. After submission, shortlisted candidate will be invited for an interview. Now pay close attention to these dates because missing them means losing the incredible opportunity. Scholarship announcement April 7, 2025. Applications open April 7, 2025. Application deadline June 2025. That means you have only a few months to prepare and apply, so do not delay. One of the best thing about this university is that it covers a wide range of fields, whether you are into technology, business, or social sciences. There is something for you. Here are just a few of them available disciplines: engineering, computer science, information technology, business administration, social sciences, natural sciences, humanities, and languages. With so many options, you can choose a program that aligns perfectly with your career goal. Now let's answer some of the most common and frequently asked questions about this scholarship. Question number 1 is, when will application open? Application open on April 7, 2025, so be ready. Question number 2, can I apply for multiple programs? No. You cannot apply for multiple programs. You can only apply for one program. Question number 3, can international students apply? Yes, this scholarship is open to both local and international students. Question number 4, is there any age limit for applying? The answer is no, but you must meet the academic requirements for the degree level you are applying for. Question number 5, how competitive is this scholarship? Answer is the success rate is very low due to high competition, so make sure your application stands out. And that's it about Abdullah Salim University Scholarship 2026 program. This is a once in lifetime opportunity to study for free in Kuwait and make your education to the next level. Time is running out, so start preparing your documents and apply before June 2025. For more details and to apply, visit the official Al Salim University web portal. And before you go, if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might benefit from this scholarship. Best of luck with your application. Your future starts now.